What's going on, guys? I'm Charles with Sambo Creek. So I want to explain a little bit about what a crossflow filter is and how that type of setup in this machine makes it so efficient for filtration. So most of you may be common with dead-end filtration. Dead-end filtration is filter paper, lenticular, where basically a particle comes to a dead end when it is trapped by either a lenticular module or a sheet of filter paper. So that's called dead-end filtration. This is a crossflow filter. So you have a feed where all the fluid comes in, but then there's two outlets. So if you notice in this setup, your feed is here. It's coming from one filter to the other. So you're feeding in here, but then your concentrate is coming out this pipe right here. And what is your concentrate? Your concentrate is either your concentrated micella. If you're winterizing, then the concentrate would be your fats. But then if you notice, there is a secondary pipe over here. So this little small pipe, that's your permeate. And so in contrast to dead-end filtration, this type of system does not accumulate solids. The solids come out this way, and whatever permeates and makes it through comes out this way. And so there is no need to constantly be changing these filters simply because solids do not accumulate in the system. And therefore, the amount of money that you would normally spend if you had like a cartridge filter, in this type of setup, it's a fraction because you're not accumulating solids, so you're not changing these filters all the time. And so you may wonder, wait a minute, how is that possible? How are these filters not accumulating solids? How does that happen? So the magic is in the pump and the design. And so how these things work is that the fluid is coming in here and flowing through the surface of that membrane, but it's flowing at such fast speeds that in the membrane surface, if a particle of, let's say, waxes or fats or whatever gets stuck in those nanopores of that filter cartridge, the water current that's flowing through the surface is so high that it plucks it out and it takes it out of the system. Therefore, they are self-cleaning cross-flow filters that are amazing, and they totally reduce the operating cost of these systems. You can change cartridges from as little as 3 months to as much as 2 or 3 years.